Hi guys, today we are here to talk fragrance. I'm a huge fragrance fanatic, okay? I have a very beautiful collection, something that I'm proud of. I love niche fragrances. I am bougie like that, where I will search and spend if I feel like a fragrance really just does it for me. And unfortunately for my wallet, a lot of fragrances do it for me. So I have been spending too much time on the internet shopping recently, and I have acquired some new fragrances. So I thought I would do a little haul for you guys of some recent ones. Heads up, there will be more niche items coming in the future if that's what you're into. But for today, these are all fairly accessible. The first one is a classic, okay? Coco Eau De Parfum. Coco is a fragrance I remember my mom wearing when I was younger, and it's such a nostalgic fragrance for me. Oh my God, I can think of legitimate memories when I smell this, which is crazy. It's crazy that scent can do that, and it's one of the reasons why I love perfumes. This to me, probably because I associate it with my mom, is a powerful, feminine woman. Okay, she does it all. She is loving, she is caring, she is warm, but don't mess with her, okay? Because she will whoop you. If you want to be taken seriously, this is a great perfume for you, because that's really what it smells like. This is a warm, sweet, slightly spicy scent. It is a little bit heavier. There are fruity notes in it, citrusy freshness a little bit, but mostly sandalwood, amber, vanilla, pepper, and the floral note that I get the most of is definitely rose. There is a little hint of white flower in there. It's just such a good all-encompassing fragrance, and I genuinely did not appreciate this when I was younger, but now I feel like every individual that loves fragrances should own some version of Coco. There's many versions to own. It's such a good classic forever kind of fragrance. The next one is from Hugo Boss. This is the Scent Private Accord. It is just orange and chocolate. If you've ever had the Terry's orange chocolate where you take the whole ball and slam it on the table and it becomes orange slices, that's what this reminds me of. There's not a whole lot else going on. Maybe vanilla. It's just such a sweet gourmand. It's easy to wear because there's not a whole lot else going on. This one, I feel like you can find stuff that's similar or layer things that are similar. I don't think that this is wow, you have to own it. If you like sweet, fruity, chocolatey scents, then definitely get this because it is on the more affordable side. But for me, I just really enjoy having more. Santal Royale from Guerlain, beautiful. Luxe bottle, looks beautiful. I'm also gonna put this out there. I don't speak French. I apologize. I know that my accent is not pronouncing names right. We're gonna try. I don't know if we're gonna succeed. I apologize. I don't mean to offend anyone, just throwing it out there. It is sandalwood, sweet, spicy, a little bit of rose, a little bit of fruity sweetness is what comes across to me. There's a leather note to it, amber, pepper. Sandalwood is one of my absolute favorite notes in fragrances. She's mysterious, knows what she wants, and says what she wants, and doesn't really care. Grown, sexy, but still fun. She can have a good time. But when it comes down to business, don't mess. That's what this kind of smells like to me. So this is Nuit et Confidence from Annick Goutal, Paris. And it comes with this little charm thing. This to me is a vanilla scent, okay? It is a lot of vanilla, a slight musk, like a pepper, kind of a hint, tonka bean, so it's slightly powdery. It reminds me a lot of Dior Hypnose Poison, but I prefer this one because Hypnose Poison dries down very powdery on me, and this one doesn't. I enjoy wearing this during the daytime, but I really actually enjoy wearing this at night because it's such a comforting, warm, but still light fragrance. This is not a super complicated fragrance either. So if you're always nervous about perfumes smelling funny on you after they dry down and kind of develop, this is an easy blind buy because this smells amazing. It is sweet. It is just delicate, but a little extra something, and that's what I really enjoy about it. It's not my absolute favorite gourmand or my absolute favorite vanilla, but it is definitely one that I really, really enjoy. She is delicate and feminine, but a little mysterious. Like, she'll never tell you too much about herself, and she's not gonna give you too much emotion, but you just feel like you want to be near her. She's fun. She makes you feel good. That's what this fragrance is. Alien Fusion. It is a flank to the original Alien. I'm a fan of the original Alien. It is white flower. Okay, it's tuberose, it's jasmine. I think it's a feminine, powerful, sexy fragrance. This one is really similar, to be honest. With other flank fragrances, I feel like there's a little bit more of a difference. With this one, I feel like it smells so similar to the original. The only thing I get a little bit more is amber and vanilla. The white flower is so forward in this fragrance the same way it is with the original. But this one is maybe just a little bit deeper and slightly sweeter. So if you are looking for that, this is the one. If not, I personally would just stick to the original Alien fragrance. I don't know that this one is that much different that I would say choose this over that one. I think the original is a classic. Also from Thierry Mugler is Angel Fruity Fair. This one is a flank of the original Angel, which is pretty much just a sweet, spicy, patchouli forward scent. The Fruity Fair, which I sprayed a little on this hand, I really like it. Okay, there's a sweetness. That's what you get first. There is a vanilla buttercream frosting sweetness that kind of carries the whole thing. But what I love is there is this green note to it that I find so unique and so delicious. There is a little bit of like a peppery note and definitely some fruity sweetness also along with the vanilla, but that green note that's in here, wow. It takes it from something generic smelling to something like, ooh, what are you wearing? That smells so good. And it's a little bit fresher too, so you can wear this alone day or night, or you can wear this during the summer. It's just a very versatile fragrance. Like, she is strong, adventurous, likes to have a good time, likes to do activities, goes hiking, loves nature, loves going for a sunset, goes to the beach, but like also likes to hang out and watch Netflix and Hulu. Such a pretty fragrance. Angel Eau Croisière, another flank to Thierry Mugler's Angel. This is the 2020 version. It's not the older version, so make sure that you get the bottle that looks like this. I don't know that I would really wear this at night unless if you're going to like a outdoor restaurant or like a beach party, that kind of an evening. This is great for, but to me, this is more of like a daytime appropriate, especially in like hot weather. I feel like this is such a great fragrance because it's not going to be super heavy or cloying. It's fruity. There's a lot of fig, but there's also like a caramel note, patchouli, and a little bit of a floral note. So it smells sweet and a little fruity. And the patchouli gives it a lot of like warmth. Like there's a little spiciness to it. There's a little depth to it. To me, this is an easy blind buy. To me, it doesn't smell like a generic fragrance. You can't really replicate this. It's simple. It's to the point. She doesn't beat around the bush. She's fun. She's easygoing. Doesn't take things too seriously. She just is nice to be around, but also is keeping an eye on things. Not a lot goes by her. It's a really pretty fragrance, and definitely get the 2020 version. That's all for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below for me and let me know what your favorite fragrance is, or if you, like me, have been feeling a little spendy recently and have purchased any new fragrances. Leave those down below too, because I'm always looking to try fragrances and my wish list is like 70 fragrances deep. So open to suggestions all the time. But until my next video, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.